Anyone who uses Gabby as their realtor is gonna have a great experience. She's a great lady, she's knowledgeable, she's on the ball, and that really made a big difference when I was nervous about the purchase of this amazing house.
And the great thing about working with Gabby is that you're a team. She learned who we were and really had our best interests in mind. There were times we looked at a place and she said, not for you. And we said, all right,
We trust
we'll take
you.
the next one.
We trust you, Gabby.
My name is Gabrielle Herendeen, and I've been a top producing realtor since 2001. I specialize in working with sellers and buyers in the South Bay beach cities and Palos Verdes areas. We're so lucky in the South Bay here. I mean, we live where people go on vacation. So I love being able to sell that lifestyle and see people really enjoy living here. I love negotiations, working hard for my clients, knowing that my sellers I sold for top dollar, knowing that I found, just the right property for my buyers. Each client is very, very important to me, and I take their trust very seriously.
Whenever we know anybody that wants to either buy or sell a house, we just tell them, go Gabby!
If you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the South Bay beach cities or Palos Verdes areas, please give me a call. My website's gogabby.com.